Do you want to lose weight without starving? What if I told you this secret is not in skipping meals, but in sipping them? These 5 smoothies changed my mornings, my energy, and honestly, my body. And they taste insane. Let's dive in. 1. The Fat-Burning Berry Blast. Loaded with antioxidants, this smoothie torches belly fat and fights cravings all day. One sip and you'll feel like your body's finally listening to you. The secret? Chia seeds. They expand in your stomach, making you feel full and satisfied for hours. It's not just a smoothie, it's a morning ritual that feels like a reward. 2. Tropical Metabolism Booster. It's like a beach vacation for your metabolism. This golden smoothie speeds up fat burn while fighting inflammation. You'll literally feel your body heating up from the inside. That's your metabolism saying, thank you. Don't let the sweetness fool you. This one's a fat shredder in disguise. 3. The Green Gut Cleanser. Ever felt bloated and heavy even when you ate healthy? This smoothie flushes that all out. Refreshing, light, and totally clean. It's like pressing reset on your stomach. Your skin glows, your belly flattens, and your energy? Through the roof. 4. The Creamy Protein Slimmer. This one feels like dessert, but it's a muscle-loving, fat-burning machine. Creamy, rich, and full of protein. It stops you from snacking like crazy between meals. Say goodbye to 4 p.m. junk cravings. This is the fix. 5. The Apple Pie Detox Smoothie. Yes, this tastes like apple pie, but it acts like a detox ninja. Cinnamon boosts insulin sensitivity. Oats keep you full, and apples, they help clean you out gently. Honestly, this one feels like self-love in a glass. There you have it, 5 smoothies that helped me ditch belly fat, feel incredible, and love my body again. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. And hey, your weight loss journey can taste good. You deserve that. Hit that like button if you're ready to take control. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips that actually work.